Hi everyone, these are my communication channels for JTC 301 and my name is Brooke. So first up for workplace communication, I've decided to discuss my internship with the CSU Collegian. At the Collegian, I work as a reporter for the news desk as well as the arts and culture desk. My three most used forms of communication would be email, text, and then my designated work apps, which are Monday and Slack. I use email most frequently. For every story that I write, I need various sources that are from a professional background, and typically email works best for contacting them. Email is widely used and accessible, so oftentimes in my initial email, I'll lay out my plan for the story and how they can help me shape it. If they agree to help, then my following emails will include questions and also a time to schedule an in-person interview. I often use text to send follow-up questions after the interview's been conducted and other questions arise during the writing process. I also use text to text my coworkers regarding time-sensitive matters like stories that arise that would need to be covered quickly. And my designated work apps allow me to update my peers on my story progress. Slack facilitates communication between my coworkers and peers, such as if a newspaper will have a specific theme that we need to adhere to. Monday.com allows me to post updates or notes for others who are working with me. I can also collaborate with team members in other departments, such as photography, so that we can reach a more cohesive piece altogether. In my academic life, I use class attendance, Zoom meetings, office hours, and emails. Class attendance is the most effective form of communication for me, as it prevents needless questions in the future, and often important examples or context is provided in person lectures. Office hours and meetings allow me to discuss obstacles I may be facing with coursework or discuss academic feedback. I typically use email when I'm coordinating a group project or if I need to notify a professor of a class I may need to miss. And in my personal life, my communication forms are text, phone call, social media, and in-person communication. Texts and phone calls allow me to plan get-togethers or just have general casual communications. Social media is organized around certain context. For example, with Instagram, I'm able to share and view updates in my friend's life and photos. Whereas on Twitter, my friends and I can share our respective works, published articles and such, and also discuss popular trending topics. In-person communication allows for a better connection overall and is typically organized around events, plans, or just general hangouts. Thank you for listening, everybody.